Hey everybody, and welcome to Keep Drawing. Today we're going to learn how to draw a baseball, just like this one. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and take a cup or some other round object and just go ahead and make a circle. Over your pencil line like I am doing right here. Now it's okay if the circle isn't perfect, because if you look at a baseball, they're never really exactly a perfect sphere and they're never perfectly smooth. And that's because of the seams and the different parts of the ball that are stitched together. So once we've done that, we're going to make two more curved lines to show where the seams are. And I'm going to make one on this side. And one on this side over here. Okay, once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and make two little dents on this side and two on this side on the edges where the different materials come together. And if you look closely at a baseball, you'll see what I'm talking about. So I'm going to go around with this line here, which also kind of gives more contrast and definition to the shape. So here's that little dent that I was telling you about. I'm going to fill this in. Do the same thing down here. And over here. Okay, the next thing we're going to do is take a look at where we're going to put the stitches. Now, the stitches are going to follow these lines here, and they're kind of V-shaped. They don't go straight across. So we're going to want them kind of evenly spaced, and we're going to be careful about where we put them so that they don't get too close together or too far apart. So I'm going to start up here like this. And I'm just going to make these shapes all the way down. You can see that this side here is a little higher than the other side, and that's usually how those threads look. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to make a little shadow right here that shows the holes in the ball that the stitches go through. It's a nice detail to add. And then I'm going to do the same thing over here. All the way down. And then I'm going to do the same thing with where the material for the thread goes through the holes in the ball. Okay, so that's the basic shape of the ball. Now it's time to add a few details. I'm going to make this a little bit flatter up here, just to show how it's pieced together. And I'm going to do the same thing down here. Instead of it having a perfectly round shape, it's going to be just a little flat on either end. And the next thing I need to do is a little bit of shading. So to do that, I'm going to make some lines that curve, small curved lines like this. And we're going to imagine that the light is coming from up here. And then right in this area, I'm going to add a few more to show that that's where the shadow mostly is, to give our drawing the illusion of being round. And I'm going to make it just a little bit darker down here. Next, I'm going to scatter some little dots, because unless the baseball is brand new, it's going to have little scratches and stains and things like that. So I'm just going to kind of add a couple of those here and there. Now what I want to do is show that the ball is in motion and that it's flying through the air. So I'm going to put one line here, another here, and two more in the center like this. And then I'm going to make some little lines to show that it's also turning as it flies through the air over here. So that's how you draw the baseball. And again, this is how it looks when it's colored. So I have the stitches colored bright red. The ball I mostly left white. And I just kind of had the sky in the background for contrast. And so that's how you draw a baseball step by step. If you enjoyed this tutorial and felt that it was worth your time, please give me a like or a subscribe. And thanks for watching.